we work on OKR principle, and one of my OKRs is that I should not spend more than 1 hour a week on accounting. And it is possible, A, because of Anna in our team, which is fantastic, but also because of the PE solution, which takes away 95% of the bookkeeping work, to be honest. So Mina Technology is a subscription management solution. So our solution is sold to the banks across Europe. We help the bank customer manage their subscription. So you can find a single overview of all your subscription like Netflix, Spotify, and the likes. You can cancel the one you no longer want or switch from one contract to another, all inside the bank. As a CFO, the role is changing. It's not about looking at the books day in, day out. You have to be looking at analyzing your numbers more. So you need to look at your cost, take decision based on your cost, look at your revenues, like how do you maximize your revenue per client. So if you're spending more time looking at where your revenue is coming from, where your costs are going into project wise, and if it's the more time is spent on analyzing it rather than building it, the more creative and beneficial it is for the company.
Största skillnaden mellan PE och de system jag jobbat innan så vill jag säga att du alltid har någon där på andra sidan. Vi talar med våra konsulter på PE på en daglig basis, om inte annat veckobasis. Vi har en konsult här i Göteborg som bara är ett stenkast bort. Och vi har även en i Stockholm där vi talar på telefon, vid ett virtuellt möte eller på mail.
I looked at few systems. This stood out to me, A, because I got a reference from a close friend. So when I looked at it, I didn't feel the need to look at too many other systems. So the typical solution I was getting was accounting firms, like there are big four consulting firms who provide audit and support. So we looked at that, but this came across as a standalone tech solution to finance. And that's how I see finance. Most of the day-to-day work should be automated. And that's what I moved for. So PE offered me that solution that I can automate most of the bookkeeping work and get reports that I can analyze and act on. The implementation process was quite smooth. If I have to highlight 2 or 3 things, one was the comfort. So the PE team came in, there was a single point of contact, even though there was a broader team working behind, but I always had a single point of contact who came in and said, listen, we have done this many times before, it would be straightforward. We worked with the previous system that you have, so we are familiar with it. They gave an exact timeline that typically takes 4 weeks, we will do it in 3 weeks or whatever, because of it was in the month of July. So that was great. They had a clear roadmap on what information they need, how much time will that take, what are the key issues, what we need to do, what the old bookkeeping firm needs to do, and what will the PE system do. So I had the comfort that it would be straightforward, even though, to be very frank, I was a bit nervous. But as the process went in, as I previously mentioned, one of my previous answers, that the tech company, but with a human touch. So I think I would have spent like 4 to 10 hours, maybe, if I remember correctly, 1.5 years back, in the whole implementation, and rest was the team at PE. So I think again that's kudos on how well they did the process. I will recommend it to the other companies, primarily because A, it works for me. The amount of time I spend on bookkeeping, because the system is so great, is little. I'd rather spend my time on analyzing the numbers and taking decisions on those numbers. So I will definitely recommend to other companies at this stage, where the CFOs can focus more on the business decisions rather than looking at every invoice and every number or how it is booked.